What's up, what's up? So,
Wait, before y'all watch any more, make sure you go like and subscribe and hit the bell, please.
back out here on the hustle line bully ranch.
So when I made this video, I didn't say all that I wanted to say, so I'm gonna say it now. I had got back from vacation. I had somebody watching my dogs. I made this video because I wanted to show y'all how easy it was to maintain the kennels or for somebody else to maintain your kennels.
All right, so this is how I clean the new kennels. Took me about 20 minutes. Started by letting all the dogs out. I mixed up my sanitizing solution for the pressure washer. Got my pressure washer out. Scooped up all the solids. Raked behind them. Get all the solids from underneath, and then I pressure wash. All this in about 20 minutes total. Spotless. The old kennel took me about 25 minutes. Pretty much the same process. Letting the dogs out. Taking everything out of the kennel. Already raked underneath this one. I didn't get it on the video. Scooped up all the solids. Got my pressure washer and sprayed inside. You see, I'm about 6'2", and standing up, you see the kennel's a little taller than me. But getting inside of there, I think I'm gonna raise the roof on them. I like them at that height because they help keep the sun out and the elements out, but I'm gonna try to raise it. All right, so today I did a little deep cleaning on the kennels. What I want y'all to understand is I don't claim to have perfected, anything with the kennels. With my kennels, I just wanted something to keep the waste away from the dogs, and that was my main priority. I'm trying to gradually develop a better design. And if 100% is up here, and every time I build something, I'm getting 5% more or 10% more, eventually I'm gonna have that design. So that was cleaning. I think it probably took me about 45 minutes to clean 8 kennels, pressure wash 8 kennels, rake underneath, get all the solids out of it. To me, that's a win. That's a win, so.